Hey guys, so massive news. First of all, let's talk about the biggest dump in last few days, which is the LIBRA coin that was basically created by the Argentinian president. There are many parties involved that created this coin, and basically this one of the companies that was involved in creation in this LIBRA token is telling that he will be basically injecting all the stolen, dumped funds back to LIBRA, so he wants to make it right. Probably so many people are calling them out, so they are scared, so they want to basically make everything right, and he's basically proposing to inject all the money that he has on his side from his people, his companies, back into a LIBRA. So there is a decent chance that LIBRA might actually pump back maybe 2x, maybe 3x, maybe more than that. So basically what I want to tell you is that too many people are losing money in these markets, and there are actually a way you can avoid these huge situations. And what you can do is, for example, if you're trading or buying coins on Radium or Jupiter and just holding in your Phantom wallet, if you're talking about Solana, what I'm personally doing, I am buying and selling on BullX. Now, why this is important is because in BullX you can set your own gas fees, you can set your stop losses. So, for example, when coin drops by 10% or 20% or 5%, basically the transaction is set automatically, so it sells all of your tokens, so you basically don't go below 20% in losses. And you can do that the same thing for your gains. For example, it goes 20% up or 50% or 100% up. You're basically stopping and you're automatically selling. It is called auto sell, and that's the most important part. I don't understand why more people are not using this, because that's the way you should be trading. And the way I am making money right now in the crypto is basically, going on BullX, buying and selling these meme coins. But don't buy, sell meme coins on Jupiter or Radium. Go on BullX. That's my advice, my recommendation, because it is most advanced application. All the meme coin traders are buying and selling. And if you're not buying meme coins, just go on BullX, try it out. I have so many tutorials. That's how you will not lose your money, because again, there are stop losses. You can set your own gas limits so people don't front run you. And if you're talking about meme coins, overall, I am the most bullish. I am on Solana right now because Solana is quite active. Look at this. This looks nice. So we are back in a winter. I was waiting for the spring to come, but looks like winter is still here. And again, if you're talking about meme coins, I am bullish on two base coins, still base meme coins, which are called DoginMe, DOGINME, and TYBG. Thank you, Base God. And Base actually tweeted about the TYBG, thank you, Base God ticker. So I think there's a high chance it will be listed on Coinbase sooner or later. But looking at the fact that the whole crypto market sentiment is one of the lowest, I think lowest this year, what I want to tell you is that let's wait for better times. Better times will most definitely come, because still the Trump, as he also already said, that he will make crypto great. He will surprise a lot of people in crypto. Right now this hasn't happened yet, but David Sachs, the crypto czar of Trump administration, basically said that something soon is coming. Soon big news are coming about crypto and Bitcoin. So let's hope for the best. But still, there are many opportunities when you see these huge runners like LIBRA or jail stool, the Barstool CEO, Dave Portnoy, something, basically creating something or hyping something up. You have to understand that trenches are eating. That's what I'm personally doing, going on BullX, buying and selling Solana meme coins. Yeah, but this video is basically for the most important fact is that you always have to set your stop losses. If you don't do it, the easiest way you can do it is again on BullX. It is so easy. I have so many tutorials how you can do that. Basically auto sell, auto buy. Even if you have to go to sleep and you see something huge happening, some huge runner, huge meme coin, when you go to sleep, you just set your stop loss. So for example, it goes 2x, 3x, automatically sell it. Or even better, if it goes low, like 20%, 50% dump, and you don't want to lose all of your money, you sell at 20%. That's what you can afford to lose, because I don't understand how these people that invest $1 million, $2 million, or even 5 figures, 6 figures in these meme coins, they basically get dumped on, and insiders and snipers are selling before them. That's why, again, that's what I'm using BullX to avoid these massive liquidations, and that's what I advise you to do. This video is not a financial advice by any means. I just want people to be safe. I want my community to make money, not lose money. And by the way, I am posting alpha daily on my Patreon, so all the links are in the description for the BullX and Patreon. And if you want to join, only $10 a month. I'm posting daily many NFT mint opportunities, many huge alpha. As I'm seeing on X, on Telegram groups, something huge happens, I automatically post on Patreon. It's much easier, much faster for me to post on Patreon, not on YouTube. But after that, I'm posting on YouTube. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Always set your stop losses though. This is a really crazy market. As long as Bitcoin is not bumping to 110, 120, 130, you have to be really cautious with your meme coin investments, because meme coins are not running up like they did in 2024, because again, everything else is stagnating. That's why one more advice is that if you are selling or buying meme coins and NFTs, you still have to look at overall markets. First of all, you have to see what Bitcoin is doing, what Ethereum is doing, because everything follows the macro. The Bitcoin is the biggest one, everything else is like similar, and that's why don't just sit in your little echo chamber of meme coins or base coins. It doesn't matter. You always have to see the whole market, and right now sentiment is quite low. That's why, again, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.